Good morning, students. In the previous classes, we are discussing what is the area of the parallelogram. Now, today we are discussing what is the area of the triangle. So, we know area of triangle. Area of triangle. See, the product of base and height half. See, the product of base and height half. Like here, see, base and height we are product, two numbers we are multiplying, that is half. How much? That is the area of the triangle. So formula, area of triangle. So half cross out, base cross out, height. Here, see, actually what this is called, this is a length, this is a breadth. Now so this one how much? Triangle. Yes, this is a one triangle, this is a one triangle. Here two triangles. See, now this is a length, this is a height. Like no, this is a breadth. Here, see, now this is a triangle. So in this triangle we are measuring, this is a length, base. Now this is a height. So these two are multiplying. So how much this one? Half part of the rectangle. So that is the area of the triangle. So now area of the triangle, half cross out, base cross out, height. On this using formula we are seeing some example problems. Now here just two examples. First one, area of triangle. Find the area of the triangle if AB 7 centimeters and BC 4 centimeters. That is a problem. Here, see, first you draw the A, B 7 centimeters. Now this is C 4 centimeters. So what is the area of the triangle? Here base how much? 7 centimeters. Height how much? 4 centimeters. AB 7 centimeters, base BC height 4 centimeters. Now area of the triangle ABC, cross out, height half cross out, base cross out, height half. Base how much? 7. Height how much? 4. So 28 by 2 to 1 jar to 14 jar, 14 centimeters square. This area. So every problem just we are using that formula and all we are solving to all problems. That like only these all exercise 3. problems as it is that like only. So we are we can do these problems on using this formula. So we are going to exercise 3. Find the area of the following triangles. Now first problem, first one. Here one triangle here given. Five centimeters, 8 centimeters. So here base how much? Base 8 centimeters. Height 5 centimeters. Area of triangle. Area of the triangle, half cross out, base cross out, height. Half of cross out, base how much? 8. Height how much? 5. 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 5s are 20 centimeter square. Next one. This is another triangle. So here base how much? 6 centimeters. Height how much? 4 centimeters. So now base is 6 centimeters. Height is 4 centimeters. So area of the triangle, half cross out, base cross out, height. So half cross out, base how much? 6 cross out, height 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 6 2s are 12 centimeter square. So we are using these formula. Remaining 2 problems you write. That is homework. Next, third one. Here base 5.4 centimeters, height 7.5 centimeters. Now base equal to 7.5 centimeter, height equal to 5.4 centimeters. Now area of the triangle, half cross out, base cross out, height. Half cross out, base how much? 7.5. Height how much? 5.4. So these two numbers we are multiplying. 7.5 cross out 5.4. 4 5s are 20. 4 7s are 28, 30. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35, 37. 5 10 4. 40.5 by 2. So 20.25 centimeters square. So as it is, we are using that formula. Remaining one problem, you try. Next one. Here see, in the triangle PQR, PQ 4 centimeters, PR 8 centimeters and RT 6 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle PQR, length of the QS. Here P, Q, R. Here see, this is T, this is S. So here 8 centimeters, here 6 centimeters. Here 4 centimeters. Now what is the length of the QS they are asking? What is the length of the QS? Here second one, PQ. Here PQ 4 centimeters. Next PR 8 centimeters. RT 6 centimeters. They are asking what is the length of the QS. So first here, example, these line segmented, no. So we know height, we know base. So area of triangle, area of the triangle PQR equal to half cross out base PQ cross out height RT. So 1 by 2. PQ how much value? 4. RT how much value? 6. 2 1 jar, 2 2 jar. 12 centimeter square. So now this triangle area we are find 12 centimeter square. Next one, area of triangle PQR. Here see half cross out. So now these line segment there is no. What is the this triangle area? Area cannot change. Why? Already 12 centimeter square we are find out. But here base we know, height how much? So here base what? PR, height how much? QS. So area of the triangle 12 centimeters square. 1 by 2 cross out, PR 8 cross out, QS we don't know. So 2 1 jar, 2 4 jar. 12 equal to 4 cross out QS. These 4 moving this side. 12 by 4 cross out to QS. 4 1 jar, 4 3 jar. So QS equal to 3 centimeters. Now QS how much? 3 centimeters. RT 6 centimeters. Next one, triangle ABC is a right angle at A. So AD is perpendicular to BC. AB 5 centimeters, BC 13 centimeters, AC 12 centimeters. Find the area of the triangle ABC. Next one. They are given here, see, triangle, right angle triangle here given. Where 12 centimeters A, B, C. Here 5 centimeters. No, not given. Here 5 centimeters. Here D. Next one there. Here 13 centimeters. These total. They are asking AB is AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. So now AB 5 centimeters, AC 12 centimeters, BC 13 centimeters. Now they are asking what is the area of the triangle ABC and also find the length of the triangle AD length they are asking. So now we see third one. Here AB length how much? 5 centimeters. Next BC length 13 centimeters. AC 12 centimeters. Now AD we don't know. Now this is AD is a perpendicular right angle triangle. So now here see area of triangle ABC cross out 1/2 cross out AD AB cross out AC. See, this is the base, this is the height. Why this is a right angle triangle? This like a given there. See, now this is a B. This is a D. This is a C, this is a. So here these one we are converting this like a. So here 12 centimeters, here 5 centimeters. So we know height and base. So here 1/2 cross out AB 5 cross out AB 12. So 1/2 cross out 30. Sorry, 12 5 is 60. 200 230 is 30 centimeters square. Now area we know. So what is the length of the AD? Another one. Area of the triangle ADC. 1/2 cross out height base DC cross out height AD we don't know. DC na AB. BC cross out AD we don't know. So here 30 area of the triangle 30 1 by BC how much? 13 centimeters. by AD we don't know. This one moving this side 60 cross out 13 by AD. So AD equal to 13 moving this side division. 13 1 jar 13, 13 4 jar 52, 4.8, 13 6 jar 78, 4.76 centimeters. This is next one. Next problem asked is this one. These all problems is this like only. So you are using these formula and height. Sometimes height given, base given. Find out the area. Sometimes area given, height given. What is the base? Sometimes area given, base given. What is the height? Here see fourth one. They are given isoscale triangle. What is the isoscale triangle? Two sides are equal, that is the isoscale triangle. Here see. This is the isoscale triangle. PQR. PQR. Yes. T 7.56 centimeters, 9 centimeters. R. So what is the RT value here? So now here PS given, PS 6 centimeters, next to QR 9 centimeters. Now area of triangle PQR, area of the triangle PQR 1/2 cross out, base QR, height PS. So 1/2 cross out, QR how much? 9, PS how much? 6. 9 6 jar 54/2. 2 1 jar 2, 27 jar 27 centimeter square. Next one, area of the triangle PQR. Here see 1/2 cross out. Here PQ height cross out. PQ how much they are given? So isoscale triangle. So two sides are equal. So this is automatically 7.5 centimeters. So next, base RT we don't know. 1/2 cross out, PQ 7.5, area of the triangle 27, cross out to RT. So now this one, this side moving, 27 cross out to 2, 7.5 RT. So 54/7.5 cross out RT. So now your cancellation, how much? 10, both side we are multiplying 10, 7.2, some 49, 5 35, So 7 r t equal to 7.2 centimeters. How do we know? Like see here, point removing 75 by 540. 75 1 jar 75, 75 7 jar 400 is 90. 0 we take here 5. We take one number 14. 14 minus 6 5. Point 0. 75. 7 7 jar 75. 7 jar 7 5 jar 35. 7 7 jar 49. 40 52. So 525. G 5. Here 1 0 75 2 jar 150. So 7.2 centimeters. RT height. Next one. Here given one picture, that is a rectangle. Yes. Next one, fifth problem. Here given one rectangle. So ABCD rectangle here given. BC length 16 centimeters. AE length 4 centimeters. AB length 8 centimeters. Now here see, what is the area of the PEC? So here we first find out this area of the rectangle we find after area of this triangle. Next area of this triangle we find, these two triangles we find, and add next this total area of the rectangle, subtract, we will find this one. So here AB length how much? 8 centimeters. BC length how much? 16 centimeters. Now area of ABCD rectangle, L into B. L how much? 16, B 8. 16 8 jar 128 centimeters square. Next, now area of triangle AEB. Now see, this is the base, this is the height. So half cross out, base AE, cross out height AB. So 1/2 cross out, AE how much? 4 cross out 8. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 16 centimeter square. Next one. Area of triangle CED. CED. Now see. Opposite sides are equal. So AB 8 centimeters. So DC how much? 8 centimeters. So this is the height. BC is 16. So AD also 16. So here to here 4. Here to here 12 centimeters. So now E of cross out ED cross out DC 1 by 2 ED 12 cross out DC 8 2 1 ja 2 6 ja 48 centimeters square. Next here see. Now so sum of area of triangle AEB plus and triangle CED 16 plus 48 64. So now remaining which triangle remaining? BEC CEB, right? That is. Next one here. Continue here, right? Now area of BEC equal to area of rectangle ABCD minus area of the rectangle ABCD minus area of triangle AEB plus area of triangle ADC triangle EDC. Now here see. Area of the rectangle 128 minus area of the triangle AEB 16 plus triangle ADC 48. Here 128 minus 64 centimeters. So sum of these triangles is equal to sum of the triangle AEB and triangle EDC is equal to the triangle BEC, right? Sixth one. So there 13 problems. I said 8 or 9 or 10. So remaining 3 or 4 problems homework. Sixth one, here see. Ramu says area of the triangle PQR. Here see triangle PQR. 7 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Here Ramu says area of triangle PQR equal to half cross out 7 cross out to 5. Ramu says. Next, Gopi says area of triangle PQR equal to 1/2 cross out 8 cross out 5. So which one says correct answer? Here which one says Ramu? Why? Here see. Now P are perpendicular to the Q. So this is P are perpendicular to the Q. So we are right. We are taking height. But Gopi says here see QR. There is no perpendicular line segment. So Ramu says correct answer. Why? P are perpendicular to QS. So here area of triangle PQR half cross out base PR cross out QS. Here 1/2 PR value 7, QS value 5. So 35/2, 17.5 centimeters square. Now always we are consider the perpendicular line segment. We are consider the height. Now this is a base. Okay now. So here there is no perpendicular line segment. So we don't take this one base. Next, seventh one. Find the base of the triangle whose area 220, height 11. Here next one, area given and height given. Base don't given. What is the base? Here see. Given area of triangle. How much? 220 centimeters square. Height 11 centimeters. Let base how much? X. So now we know area of the triangle equal to half cross out base cross out height. Area of the triangle 220 cross out. Base how much? We don't know. X. Height how much? 11. So these one moving this side cross out. 220 cross out 2 equal to 11 into x, 11x. So these 11 moving this side, x equal to This is numerator. This one move to RHS denominator's place. 220 by 2 cross out to 11. 11 1 jar 11 2 jar 20 jar. X equal to 40 centimeters. What is the X? Base. So base equal to 40 centimeters. Next one, eighth one. In a triangle, height is double of base. So area of the triangle 400. So what is the base and what is the height? See. Eighth one, here given area of triangle, how much they are given? 400 centimeters square. They are only given. The next one, given area of the triangle, height. Now let base is a x. Next they are asking height is double of the base, like a here see. Height is double of base. So base 2 times. So 2x. Now height we know, base we know, area of the triangle we know. So now area of the triangle area of the triangle half cross out, base cross out, height. So half cross out. Base how much? X. Height how much? 2x. 400. So 400 equal to 1 by 2, 2 into x, 2x square. So 2 cancel. X square equal to 400. X equal to x into x. Which two numbers we are multiplying? 400 coming. So square. So now x equal to 20 centimeters. What is the x? Base. Base equal to 20. So now height. Height equal to 2x. 2 into 20. 40 centimeters. Like a x square, we are remove this square, this side root coming after root 400 value 20. That lesson comes to the in 8th class. So now here I said like a expanding form. Already in exponents we write x square. So x into x. So any two numbers we are multiply 400 coming. Any two same numbers 200 into 20 into 20. So remaining 5 problems are homework. That 5 problems you write. 9th lesson, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th. See, just One time ninth C. The area of the triangle is equal to the area of the rectangle, whose length and breadth 20 and 15. Calculate the height of the triangle of its base measured 30 centimeters. Here see, ninth one. Here one rectangle given. That rectangle length 20 centimeters, base 15 centimeters. So now length how much given? 20. Base how much given? 15. So area of the rectangle L cross out B. So length 20 cross out breadth B. So 300 centimeter square. So area of the rectangle 300 centimeter square. We are find out. Next they are asking, now area of the triangle is equal to area of the rectangle. So this rectangle how much area? As it is one triangle area, that is 300 centimeter square. This triangle base given, base is 30 centimeters. What is the height? So area of triangle equal to 1 by. So area of the triangle equal to 1 by 2 cross out, base cross out height. So here 1 by 2, base how much? 30. Area of the triangle 300. Height we don't know. So 2 1 jar, 2 15 jar. 300 equal to 15 H. So H equal to these 15 moving this side, 300 by 15. 15 1 jar, 15 20 jar. So height equal to 15 centimeters. So there remaining 4 problems. As it is 10th one, they are asking shaded region. Like a 10th problem, as it is 5th problem, 10th 11th one, 5th problem, and 12th one also 5th problem. 13th one, their ratio given, length and height, base and height ratio 3:2. So you have do that 4 problems. Tomorrow we will go to the next exercise. Okay, shall leave the class, stay home and safe.